Stop scrolling past the Corsair AI Workstation 300 PC. Here is what nobody is telling you. Let's get real, folks. If you're still using that old laptop from 2024, you're stuck in the dark ages when it comes to AI performance. Don't waste your time and money on subpar processing power that can only give you a fraction of the results you need for those high-stakes projects. Now, imagine having a powerhouse PC that's specifically designed to unleash the full potential of your local LLMs, creative workloads, and AI development tasks. That's what the Corsair AI Workstation 300 PC is all about, delivering real-world performance that leaves the competition in the dust. First off, let's talk about its compact form factor. This 4.4L powerhouse is engineered for efficiency, giving you the freedom to work on your most complex projects without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious desk space. You won't find any bulky behemoths here, just a sleek, modern design that lets you focus on what matters, creating, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of AI. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, this PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI Max 300 series processors, which offer configurations up to the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 with a whopping 96 GB of variable graphics memory. That means you're looking at some seriously impressive RDNA 3.5 graphics technology with 40 compute units and XDNA 2 NPU architecture delivering up to 50 TOPS of AI acceleration. Talk about speed. And let's not forget about the unified LPDDR5X memory, which ensures flexible, high-bandwidth performance for your most demanding AI workflows. You won't have to worry about bottlenecks or slowdowns. This PC is built to handle even the most complex tasks with ease. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is all of this really worth it? Well, let me tell you. If you're serious about taking your AI game to the next level, then yes, every penny counts. The Corsair AI Workstation 300 PC is an absolute powerhouse that will give you the edge you need to stay ahead of the curve. But here's the thing, nothing's perfect, and this PC does have one major flaw. It can get quite pricey. I mean, we're talking serious money here. But if you're someone who values raw power above all else, then you might be willing to shell out the extra cash for a machine that truly delivers. So, is it worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for a PC that can handle your most demanding AI projects with ease, look no further than the Corsair AI Workstation 300 PC. It's a game changer, plain and simple. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to. Then check out the link in the description below. See you next week.